Hi, in this video we are going to see custom view in Excel. So what is the custom view? In Excel on the sheet, right, we will be having by default all the cell, all the rows is visible, right? But say for example, here I don't want it to show you what is the topics we wanted to cover, right? So in that I can create a custom view in the Excel where I will be showing the specific, very specific uh, view of that sheet only. You will not able to see anything which is hidden, and in another view we can have all. So first what I'll do is I will show you how we can get the custom view where we can see the custom view. Then we can how we can add our custom view, then how we can view the custom views, what are the custom views are there, and if not needed, I have done with my work, so I can delete it. To get that, let me copy this one, okay, and just copying, let it copy here itself, okay. I'm selecting from here and copying entire thing. I'll copy here and I'll creating a new sheet, okay, so which I will not disturb this the main. I'm clicking here, okay. Now to get the custom view, what we have to do, we have to click on the view, and here we will be having custom view, okay. So first custom view, I need whatever the data, altogether data I want here, okay. So I'll click okay as whole data view, okay, click ok. Now first view I don't want it to show the what is the, I'll hide this one, okay. I don't want it to show you this one, okay. So what I'll do is I'll add again without anything, without topics, anything we can meaningfully should be there, right? And then another, even I don't want this one, okay. So I'll hide it and I'll create again custom and add, then without example, okay. So I'll click this. Now I want to see all this, right, without an unhiding and doing all the modification. I have to just go and custom views, and here I will select whole data view. So click on show, I can see whole data here, right? Then we can go again, I want to see the without example, right? Okay, we will see that without topics, so that if you see I have see, but like this thing is visible, but I cannot see that the topics, right? What are the topics we have now without example. If I click, so even our examples got hidden and we have only this, so we can present this data, right? And again I want to come back to the whole data view, I can click so and this. So this is the way to get the custom view. We have to click on the view and click on the custom view option. Then from custom view we can add it. So to add that, what are the current view, before adding, one thing we have to notice here, before adding to view we have to make sure that all the changes whatever we want we have to apply, and to hide some data we have to insert some data, all those things we have to do it before adding to the custom view, okay. Click on that. This view I wanted to add, we can add it. Something is already added, I want to see it, so just click on that, it will be it will shown here. Now I'll show you whole data view. Whole data view is here. Now one is the close. So close is nothing, it is equal to this one, just click on that and it will get close. Another one, add already we have shown, and delete. So once I have done, I don't want any more that the view, right, custom view, just I'll click on delete, and click on delete. So all the views I have deleted. Now I have done with that. You can close here or here, both are same. Okay, so hope you have understand what is the custom view, how we can add it, how we can view the custom view, and how we can delete it. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.